The Brazilian oak house is located on a spacious flat plot overlooking a lake. Its design is highly streamlined. Two parallel exposed concrete slabs, one for the floor and one for the roof, enclose the glazed living spaces. Some volumes are treated with a more opaque approach due to their internal functions. These volumes are carefully inserted between the two slabs, angled in relation to the Cartesian layout of the house, and clad in oxidized copper strips. The FGMF office was responsible for everything from the architectural design to the interior details. The choice of furniture blends contemporary pieces with design classics, such as the Fardos armchair from Depas, items by Zalsupin, and custom-designed pieces by FGMF, including a special version of the Paletero table. Given such a special setting, the majority of the house's spaces feature large glass panes, reminiscent of classic modernist homes, seamlessly connecting the indoors and outdoors. The house is deeply connected to its gardens, designed by landscape architect Alex Hanazaki. The landscaping showcases a distinctive ground design with concrete slabs of various shapes and sizes, complemented by lush vegetation, including orchid trees, jabuticaba trees, and other species. The residence also features an infinity-edge pool facing the lake and a small annex pavilion. This pavilion, fully glazed and connected to the pool, houses a gym and sauna. Another prominent architectural feature is the use of MLC wooden brise-soleils, which control sunlight where necessary while providing privacy from the exterior. The Oak House is a quintessential vacation home where the architecture is entirely focused on fostering relaxation and connection for its residents.